Buying your dream home while still owning your current one can feel pretty impossible, right? But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can actually pull it off with a bridge loan. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. These loans can really be a game changer when you're ready to move into that dream home before selling your current place. Now, a lot of people run into this same problem. You need to sell your home to afford the next one, but you don't want to risk losing that dream house while waiting. And it's a stressful spot to be in. You're stuck needing the money from your current home to make that move, but you can't get there until it sells. Does this sound familiar? And it's frustrating, and honestly, it can lead you to settle for something less than you deserve. Now, selling first also means you're under pressure. You might feel forced to accept a lower offer just to move on, or you end up in some temporary rental that completely throws you off your routine. And no one needs that, right? But here's the thing. What if you didn't have to sell before buying? Bridge loans can help you do just that. They let you break free from the pressure and go after the place that you want. Now, I know bridge loans can sound kind of complicated, but they're really not. It's just a short-term loan that lets you tap into the equity of your current home. So you have that money to make an offer on your next place, even if you haven't sold your current home yet. This is why you want to think of it like a financial bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. Here's where my experience comes in. I've been doing this for over 20 years and helping tons of families through tricky situations just like this. As a top producer and office manager for the #1 brokerage, I've seen firsthand how powerful bridge loans can be, especially in competitive markets like these. With the right guidance, it's a smooth, stress-free process. So let's say you found the perfect home. With a bridge loan, we can use the equity from your current place to cover the down payment, even if your current place hasn't sold yet. And in a market like ours, having that extra financial leverage can really set you apart. Plus, it takes all of that stress out of trying to time everything perfectly, which we all know can be a huge headache. Take Sarah, for example. She had a place that just wasn't working for her growing family anymore. But she didn't want to sell it until she'd found the perfect new home. So we used a bridge loan to get the funds she needed to secure her dream home without having to rush into selling. Once we had everything in place, we sold her old home quickly and paid back the bridge loan in no time, which kept her costs way down. Sarah's story shows just how powerful bridge loans can really be. They take away all that stress and anxiety and uncertainty of buying and selling at the same time. And it's not just about the numbers, it's about peace of mind, knowing you've got the resources to make the right move for you and your family. If you need a referral to a great lender who can help you out with a bridge loan, let me know and I'll get you connected. So if you're feeling stuck, bridge loans could be the perfect solution. Whether you're upgrading, downsizing, or just ready for a change, they give you that flexibility to do things on your own terms. If this was helpful, be sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, for more content similar to this, smash that like and subscribe button and we'll see you next time.